Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify this given radical problem. The square root of 2024 whole square minus 1 all over 2023. And we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind at all. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this radicand inside this square root, and we are going to tweak this 1, and this 1 could be written as 1 square. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this 1 by 1 square over here. And now let's recall this famous identity, the difference of two squares. A square minus b square could be written as a minus b times a plus b, the product of the difference and the sum. And we are going to use this identity on this numerator part, and we are going to assume that this 2024 is our lowercase a and this 1 is our lowercase b. Then this numerator could be written as over here 2024 minus 1 times 2024 plus 1, and we are not going to mess with the denominator 2023. We are going to leave it alone. And now let's focus on this 2024 minus 1. That is same as writing 2023, and likewise 2024 plus 1 is same as writing 2025. So therefore in this next step, this could be written as 2023 and times this could be written as 2025, and once again our denominator is same. And now we can see this 2023 and this 2023 at the denominator, they cancel each other out. So therefore we are ended up with the square root of 2025. And we know 2025 is a perfect square. In other words, 2025 is same as 45 square. So therefore, we can write this one as the square root of 45 whole square. And now we can see this square and square root onto each other. So therefore, we are ended up with 45 as our simplified answer. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the simplified answer to this given problem turns out to be 45. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.